Okay, welcome muli sa Axel Engineering. Ang topic natin ngayon ay how to plot X and Y coordinates and find the area using Excel. Okay, ang example natin ngayon ay point A, B, C, D. These are the coordinates. Okay, so paano to ipa-plot? Bago to i-plot, actually ito lang ang given. Ito lang ang given. So, para ma-plot natin, kailangan maka-close traverse siya. So, uulitin natin ito. We will pick 1.5 and 1 here. Okay. We will select all these cells. Okay. Go to insert. Go to scatter. Then select scatter with straight lines. Okay. Ito na yung ating itsura ng plotted plotted na lote. Okay. So, ito yung point A. 1.51. Makikita naman dyan. So, ang point B, 4, 5. Point C is 3 and 7.5. Point D, 2 and 6. So, ito ang itsura ng ating lote. Okay. So, na-plot na natin siya. Ang sunod natin gagawin is to find the area. So, simple lang ang pagkuha ng area. Kukunin natin yung mga X and Y products. X of A, Y of B, X of B, Y of C, X of C, Y of D, so on and so forth. Dito naman sa kabila ay Y of A, X of B, Y of B, X of C, so on and so forth. So, ganito yan. This is how we will do it. So, pick the cell equals, then 1.5, okay, X of A times Y of B, okay, enter. Okay, so since this is all already formulated now in Excel, you will just drag this. Okay, so there we have it. Meron na tayong X and Y values dito. Ang sunod naman ito, Y times X values naman. Okay, equals Y of A times X of B. Enter. Okay, then click and then drag. Okay, so sunod is the difference of 7.5 and 4, 30 and 15, 18 and 15, 2 and 9. Okay, so equals 7.5 minus 4 equals, enter, 3.5, then we drag. Actually, ina-add natin to summation. The summation of this is double area. 14.5 is a double area. So, we need to divide this by 2, divide 14.5 by 2 in order to have 7.25 square unit. Let us say this is in meters, so 7.25 square meter. Okay? So, ganito lang kasimple. Double area divide to 7.25. So, ganun lang mga one-strap. Sana may natutunan kayo na bago. Hanggang sa muli.